Hi, it's me, Aska Kamelkar, a student from the British College, and here to deliver a demo on advanced software engineering, which is a graphical interface assignment. So let's go to the requirement that is mentioned in the form. So this is the email I've already mentioned. So this is my personal information, which is the surname and the first name, and also mention the university ID. Also, I have also marked it down my course level. The Google group, I have also mentioned here. I understand I'm not upload my full Google uploaded link on my package. Yes, I agree with this. I'm recording a YouTube cable showing this form on the screen. Yes, I understand it. Yes, I agree with this. Yes, yes. Yeah, I've already mentioned. Yeah, this. I've already installed it. I've already kept the BOOSE latest version, which is a 1.1. Version controls. Yeah, I'm going to assign you my username. Yeah, I'm going to, yeah, it is a private created by the university. This is a private repo. That is my link. Yeah, for creating a documentation, we have to create a public repository to enable the public viewers to view the documentation. As you can see, I have created this documentation by hosting it on the GitHub. Here is the classes defined with the necessary definition. As you can see, it is much more clear in this format. I'm going to provide you a little second here. So the total commits in my ASC demo assignment classroom is 109. Yes, it is more than 5 documented commits. You can see updated in Readme files, changes made in the code, new version library. So it's more than 5 user interface. So in my code, I have used the interface in app canvas, which extends the interface canvas with necessary drawing properties and behaviors. So they're defined the properties like X pose, Y pose, canvas size, pen color, bitmap size, and also the different drawing properties including circle, clear commands, draw to commands, move to commands, rectangle commands, set color to set the pen value accordingly. Also the triangle to draw the triangle according to the valid width and height. So this way I have implemented the interface in the app canvas class. So yeah, it has been implemented. So the unit tests, I will run all the unit tests that I have done here. As you can see, the all unit test has been passed and marked as green in color. Unit test documented with XML comments. So yeah, as you can see in this example, I have created a triangle app which checks the valid parameters or not. If it is invalid, then it will throw the exception. If we include a negative integer, it will also throw the exception. Like command cannot Here, command cannot be take non-negative numbers. Negative numbers is not being implicated in triangle command class. So in this way, I've created this triangle app case. So in every classes, I have implemented XML comments, as you can see in the screen. Here, in which what goes, each of the method goes, I've explained all of them in an XML comments. So yeah, it has been documented well in XML, and also just as you can see right now on the screen. Design patterns. Yes, I have implemented a design patterns in Command Factory. Here I have created a design pattern which implements the Command Factory, and which it overrides the make command class. Overrides the make command class and created a custom command like triangle, right, clear, reset, circle, add if. Sorry, this is a method that I have created by customization. It encapsulated the object's creation logic, making it more easy to add new commands one by one without modifying the entire code. If a command isn't recognized, then it will throw a base exception. Sorry, it throws an exception by this base class. So I have created. I do not use the patterns. Uh, yeah, yeah. In this class, I have created an additional design pattern, which is a command design pattern, where app commands, where app school program is an invoker of executing a sequence of commands. Each command will implement the iCommand class. iCommand interface. Sorry, it's an interface which defines an execute method that performs the specific actions. So this design is decouples the sender of the command from the receiver, which in case is the command. So it allows for the greater flexibility, extensibility, and separations of concern, as a new command can be easily added without changing the existing commands or structures. So this is how I implemented a command design pattern. As I have already shown you before, that I have installed a BOOSE latest version. Replace in classes, so I'm going to replace int, which is in the driver folder, unrestricted int. Copy. As you can see, it is successfully running here. Then to put my image from the GitHub. So here is the URL, and I'm going to paste it here accordingly. Replace the real class. Okay, unrestricted use. sorry, I'm navigating through the new phone. So here you can see this successfully running without having any issues. So I'm going to replace arrays. So you can see it is successfully running here in the Canvas implementation. Oh my goodness, what is happening? Sorry for the mistake. But yes, okay. File commands is in here. You can see it is also running very much successfully. Scripted for you can see it is also very much running successfully. It is my report. So for the unrestricted bits, I'm going to public center. You can see it is also very much running successfully. There is it copy else. So I'm going to show you how the else works. So for the else, I have created an additional else command, which I'm going to show you. Here it is loading much more successfully and running. Here you can see else command is running much more successfully. If I change the value, it will not change because the control is mentioned as 75, so it should be greater than or less than 70. So then it will only execute circle 100 from the 0 and 0 position. So yeah, this is how the else works. I will explain the code after doing the stuffs in the form. So here I have kept my additional. So this is not my additional. Here is my additional. Wait. So I haven't pushed it yet, so I will push it. So now the URL will come here. So here is the image. I think I'm going to test it here. So yeah, I've also done this one as well. So there is the method. So here you can see methods have been also created much more successfully. It's a yes, and I'm going to put the URL in this form. So for explaining the else part, I have to stop this. Else. Here you can see I have overwritten the restrictions. Sorry, I have created an else custom class which is extended from BOOSE else class, which is a larger compound structure used in this application. The app else command overrides the restrictions, which is indicated to impose any specific restrictions or custom logic related to the else command. So here there is no restriction defined here. After doing so, it already removes the restriction that has been imposed in else class in the BOOSE library. So for the app while, it is implemented as a while loop, which has been extended from a BOOSE while class. This also class allows for the creation and customization of the while loops in the application. The constructor while is being initialized, which performs any necessary checkup for the initialization process. It also overrides the restriction method to provide the opportunity for the customization or define a specific restriction for a while loop class. So for the app 4, it is also a custom implementation from our BOOSE library. It also extends the for class from a BOOSE library. So it also overrides the restriction in which in a case which is intended to define any specific restriction or custom logic for the for loop. So how this, so in this way, how, so in method class also, it also implemented from a boost maker as you can see in this screen and act as an custom classes which is an app method. It also initializes a constructor. Inside the constructor, it calls the reduce restriction, which overrides to remove the restriction on the maker class that has been implemented. So in the app inc also, it also implemented from a boost inc class in which it creates an instance of an app inc. Inside the instance method of app inc, it calls the restriction method to override it. So in this way, the restriction has been removed much more successfully. Have you done anything that is additional or substance? Not more than say, but something challenging. So it's not much more challenging, but I have created a manuscript which loads, saves the commands. Okay, so for the example, let's say move to 7. As you can see, there is a big circle that has been created in the canvas. Rectangle. Here you can see rectangle is created. So I'm going to change the pen color. So I'm randomly inputting the integer. I don't know which color will be produced. Let's see what will gonna happen. This file is so much small. Let's say 100. Here it's like a maroon color which has been generated. So what color is this? I think I'm going to create a circle. Yes, it is also a maroon color. Now I'm going to change the pen position by moving it to 24. And I'm going to also change the pen position. Here a small rectangle is being created. So to save the canvas, to save the canvas, your save canvas is click and I'm going to name it as demo. Save. Now the canvas I will save successfully. Now I want to save the comments as well. So I'm going to click on save button, which will save the canvas. Sorry, which will save the comments in the text format. So demo 1. Save. It has been saved successfully. Now this clear button will clear both the program window and the output window. Here you can see it is been cleared successfully. Now I want to load that command, so I'm going to click on this load and demo. Yeah, now it has been loaded successfully. So in the code, I have created some logic to load the canvas in the some logic to load the canvas which has been saved. And also I have also read the commands and drag it on the text box file. Here are the logic that I have been implementing here. Here are the save canvas to save the drawing image in the JPG, PNG format. So here is the right command. So in that command, I have to do the code. So as you can see, I have implemented some code in clear welcome to clear the product window text and as well as the output window, which is a canvas drawing. So in the manuscript I have created a drop down option which is load canvas and save canvas. So I implemented accordingly. So you can see right command has been called here to implement the functionality. So in this way, it is much more usable for the users to create, save, load, and draw the commands accordingly. Yes, so it's going to save, and save, save, and facilities use. I haven't used any of the AI, no, sorry, it's unknown. Now, no, no comment. Yes, thank you.